Welcome back. If in the past you have managed your email marketing relationship by having multiple lists, in many cases, a number of multiple lists, you may want to start the process of consolidating those lists with the company that you're going to be working with. And it is something that you can ask support to either assist you with or to give you an exact process. You're looking at the process inside of GetResponse because there's a specific process with this company. In some cases, the company Aweber will assist the process by consolidating the list for you using their support system. That is as of the recording of this video. It is something that you can ask, and you do want to allot the time that it would take for their support in order to undertake this process. Because your email marketing list could be more transient, one of the ways to manage the process is that instead of using multiple lists for every purpose, is to use one list for all purposes and then using tags within that list. And this will require you to understand your autoresponder so that you can tag your subscribers for any and every purpose. Having multiple tags will allow you to use some of the same processes that multiple lists will also do. In most cases, campaigns can be run and managed and triggered based on the use of tags. So inside of whichever autoresponder company that you decide to work with, another initial task that you'll want to undertake is going to be understanding how to tag users for every purpose and to use those tags in order to run and manage your campaigns. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.